Not all welding processes are designed for speed. Some are designed for precision. TIG welding offers exceptional control, with a heat input and weld formation, making it ideal for stainless steel fabrication, requiring superior appearance and dimensional stability. Each stainless steel bracket is positioned and secured to ensure alignment. Before welding begins, precise arc control enables smooth weld progression and minimizes distortion. Throughout the fabrication process, consistency is essential in industrial manufacturing, from prototype to production batches. Repeatability helps ensure dependable quality. Well executed TIG welding combine structural performance with visual quality, reflecting discipline, craftsmanship and process control. Whether supporting equipment assembly, lies or custom fabrication projects, precision welding contributes to reliable product performance. STARWAY manufacturing. Precision is more than a capability. It is the standard behind every weld.